everybody, Fantasticairy here, back with another video. In this week's video, I'm going to be sharing with you more paintings from my explorations of the forest of September. We've reached the end of September, and I thought it would be suitable to just fill a whole page with nature of September and the changing autumn season. Okay, so let's get started. In this particular video, I'm going to be painting the musk mallow. It's a flower that grows around here, around this time of the season. It's really cute, and I was able to get a couple photos of someone I was exploring, and I thought I'd like to just paint it. It was super simple, something fast and quick, and I really loved the colors against the green grasses and the changing autumn leaves. Of course, I start off by shaping in the overall shape of the flower using a mix of dry and wet brush techniques with my watercolor paints. It's almost like sketching. This one turned out to be very quick. I went with, of course, more of a stylistic feel to it. It was good practice, painting something really fast. I actually might dedicate just one particular sketchbook for fast watercolor painting and sketches. It would be good practice. I'm a little sad that September has finished, but I'm also excited for October, as the fall colors are now in their peaks, and I'm excited to paint more autumn nature and foliage to share with you guys. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the final reveal of this full sketchbook page that I've been wanting to share with you since I started it. So please enjoy the final reveal with some music, and I'll see you at the end for the final result. I enjoy painting sketchbook pages that have a similar theme, and this page was painting the forest in September. From the amanita mushrooms that have been growing everywhere, from the changing colorful leaves, birch trees and the maple trees changing in color, and then the certain flowers that grow around here in September. I love themed sketchbook pages and also pages that are memories of references or places I've been, as I can look back at this page in the future and remember these memories. I love how all the colors work together. September is one of my favorite months, and I'm sad to see it go, but I'm also excited for what October is going to bring, as October is also one of my favorite months out of the year. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, please like and subscribe if you would like to see more. I love reading all the comments you guys leave for me. It kind of feels like we're starting to build a small little community. A little niche community amongst ourselves. I'll be excited to share with you guys the pages of October, and I have a few things in mind for next week's video, so I'll be excited to share with you that next Friday. You can find me on the social medias and the links in the description below, as well as all my listed art supplies that I use, and my imprint shop, where you can purchase prints and stickers of artwork I've done thus far. And again, videos are every Friday, so I'll see you guys next week in October as we say goodbye and farewell to September. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye.